Hey, I'm Destiny. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel because my channel is about building our businesses, having multiple side hustles, and also self-care. So if those topics interest you, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. And as y'all can see today, I got my laptop out, so y'all know that we're going to be talking about ways to make money online. And in today's video, it's going to be specifically geared towards how to become an Amazon influencer and how to make money through your Amazon links. So go ahead and stay tuned. But first, to even start off this video, let's keep it real simple. What exactly is an Amazon influencer? So like any influencer, this is someone who persuades people to buy different products. So in this case, it'll be Amazon products. So let's say, for an example, for my store, since I'm into business, I have a YouTube channel, I like to travel. So my Amazon store focuses on different products that I use for my business. I have my shipping supplies, any printers that I use, anything that I use for my hair business. Then I have my whole YouTube camera set up. And also I did a video about that if you want to go check that out. So I have my whole YouTube camera set up. So that includes the camera, the lights, the different editing things that I have, my memory card. I have different things that I use to travel. So if it's different universal plugs. So pretty much everything regarding the type of stuff that I use for my brand, I have it all in my Amazon storefront. And I'm also going to pull up my storefront just to give you guys a good look at what exactly it is. So this is my Amazon storefront. You can see it has my name, the Traveling Hair Boss. I do have a verified Amazon account, and then all the different categories that I have that I previously told you about. So it has my YouTube, packaging, beauty supplies, t-shirt supplies, and then we're going to go ahead and click the YouTube setup. That has everything that I use for my YouTube channel, just the different camera equipment, the chair, the desk, pretty much everything that I use for my channel. Then we're going to just briefly look at the packaging supplies. So my printer, printing paper, the scale. And the way I make money with it is my primarily focus is my YouTube channel and my Instagram page. So my YouTube channel, anytime I talk about these products, so like I previously mentioned the YouTube video on my camera setup, so you put different links that'll lead over to your Amazon store. So that's how you get paid, and the commission is usually 1 to 10% of each product that a person purchases. So when you do a video, like let's use my shipping video for an example, I'll say, hey, head over to Amazon and grab this shipping paper. So let's say if the shipping this paper is $13, person goes over there, purchase it, you might make, for something like that, it might be 1 to 5%. So whatever 1 to 5% of that, it could be 5 to 10 cents. So the purpose of it is to be able to promote your link and use it as passive income. So for your YouTube channel, as you know, with SEO, these videos keep running and that it's supposed to build up over time. So as long as people keep watching your videos, clicking your links, purchasing your products, your commission is going to keep going up. And this will only work if you keep promoting. So it's a slow way to make passive income, but it works. And another way you can do it, like a lot of people do it on Instagram. Instagram is a great way because you can reach a big audience based on what you're promoting. So if you're into fashion, let's say, and you're promoting different outfits, you have a good amount of followers. If you post a cute outfit and say, hey, you can head over to Amazon to grab this outfit, people might also check out your store. So that's why it's very important to make sure your store is set up. Like there's different ways that I've seen that people have set up their stores really cute so it can get the most engagement as possible. Because they might go to your store because they seen you post. Let's say they seen you post a dress on your Instagram. They go to your store and now they see the different shoes that you bought, different handbags, different home supplies, all of those different things that they can now purchase on your Amazon store. So more ways you can make money is through, if you have a blog, like if you're writing different blog posts pertaining to like different products that you're recommending. Let's say you're doing blog posts on different cameras that people have, drop the Amazon links in there. If you have a style blog, like I know a lot of new moms have blogs, so any of those type of products that you're going to be recommending, go ahead and set up your Amazon influencer account so you can start getting paid money for them blogs. And another thing I want to say about the way Amazon has it set up is just because a person clicks your link and doesn't buy anything, like if they buy anything from Amazon within that first 24 hours from your link, you're still going going to get the commission from it. So it doesn't matter if they clicked it, forgot to purchase. Like if they come back to Amazon within that 24 hours, you're still going to get the commission. Now let's go into the requirements of signing up. So Amazon says that they're looking for influencers who have a good following and also high engagement. So with the follower count, they don't say how many followers that they're exactly looking for, because I've seen people with 1,000 followers up to 1,000,000 followers set up their Amazon accounts. So you can sign up through your Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, or Facebook. And I know when I signed up, I used my YouTube because that had the highest following count. So when I signed up, I believe they let me know within 15 to 20 minutes that I was accepted for the program and to go ahead and create my storefront. So it's really simple to sign up, and they haven't really came out with anything that says like what determines if they're going to approve you or not. Like since I've been helping people get signed up, I haven't came across one person that got denied. So there's a great chance that you will get approved. And plus Amazon wants more people pushing their products anyway. So I'll say go ahead and give it a try. And for the last portion of this video, I'm going to do just a quick sign up, just to walk you through the website, walk you through the steps to get signed up, and then also show you my storefront, how to add different products. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and get Amazon pulled up. So to make it easier, I'm going to search Amazon Influencer on Google just so we can go directly to the Amazon Influencer page. You can see it's the third option. And on this page, it's just going to give you some brief questions that people normally have about the program. So what is the influencer? What is the program? How does it work? And you can look at this page on your own time pretty much. And then we're going to do how to qualify. So monetize your content with the Amazon Influencer program. Build your storefront, create and earn. More frequently asked questions, and we're going to go ahead and sign up. And since I already have an account, I'm just going to go ahead and sign into my account so you can see my influencer page. So it just automatically says your page is ready, gives my personalized URL, and we're going to go ahead and go to my storefront. So this is the Traveling Hairball storefront. So what I'm actually going to do here, I'm going to briefly show you my storefront. Then we're going to go ahead and create some content. We're going to do a shoppable post. So in this post, it's just going to be a jogging suit that I wore recently. And I'm going to show you how to create the post, write the caption, and then add the outfit to it. So that's my picture. Then you're going to do tag products, which you're just going to select the jogging suit that I had, which mine is automatically in my order section since I recently bought it. So it comes up as one of the first options. Create a little catchy caption. So mine just keep it cute and comfy. We'll keep it comfy and cute. Then a quick call to action. Okay, now our post is on here. We're going to go ahead and take a look at our storefront, see how the post looks. So as soon as you go to my page, you're going to see that post first. And now I'm going to go ahead and show you how we can create another one of those lists. So we're going to go to create content again, create an idea list. And this one I'm going to do for my clothing items. So we're going to go ahead and call it Destiny's Closet. And then just write a brief description about what I'm showing you. And adding things to your list can be a little tricky because you have to actually go in or search them, or you can go to your previous orders and then find them that way and add it to the list. But I'm just going to search the different items that I have. So this is how it looks. It comes up on a clean page. And now I'm going to go ahead and just type in a bandage dress that I recently purchased for my birthday. Get that added to the list along with a bunch of other products that I purchased, just so I can briefly show you what exactly it'll look like. Yeah, and this is the higher part, so this is where you actually have to find the dress. Oh, there it is. Now I'm going to show you what it looks like on your page. So as you can see, it says Destiny's Closet. And that's pretty much everything you need to start your Amazon storefront. Very nice and simple. So thank you so much for watching this video today, and if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and if you want to see more content like this as far as different ways to make money online, go ahead and drop that in the comment section below. And also, if you have any more questions, you can also drop those in the comment section below as well. If you want any one-on-one consultations, pick my brain sessions, head over to IamDestinyAdams.com, and don't forget to follow me on my social media channels. As y'all know, it's I Am Destiny Adams on Snapchat, YouTube of course, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, pretty much everything. I'm most active on Instagram, so that'll be the best way to reach me outside of email. So yeah, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, turn y'all notifications on, and make sure you never miss another upload.